Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this driving kills. And it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Work is going on before monsoon. So finally they have repaired this road after ages. So the current setup of my Sprocket is front 15, that is stock, and the rear one is 47 teeth. So I am starting the bike right now to test the first gear and second gear and how it is performing. You can see the difference. this is the second part of me testing the sprocket. It's almost 4 to 5 days I have tested, and I really like the performance of the sprocket that I have right now. The bike pops up on the first gear right now easily, you can say. Overall performance is good. There's no heating issue nor any other kind of issue that I'm facing. So the low end issue that has been resolved. Just do a drag race and see the performance. So it's on 4th gear and the speed is around 35. So it's picking it up without any issues. So I'll just go home, do a walk around about the sprocket and the grill that I have used. So I'll be sharing the details in the description where you can contact them and get the sprocket or the grill.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Modification or the mods that I have done onto my bike. Not much. These are the Figo seats that I have installed. So the light, this is the headlight grill, the beak, small stickering, and if you see inside also the orange thing is also done by me. So this is the black film added onto the visor. I'll just end this video over here, going back home. Tata, bye bye, take care.